Hey guys, hey, we're driving to undisclosed location in Kansas to pick up a Pontiac Fiero today, an 87 GT that's had an Archie V8 kit already installed in it. And we're on the road and we're about to the location, and once we get there we'll film a little bit of putting it on the trailer and stuff and some of the things about it. It's not a beautiful car, but it's a great example for us to put our 308 Mera carbon fiber body on. It'll be a good candidate for that. So anyway, here we are going down the road. We're only about, shows about 20 miles on GPS from where we're supposed to be going. So anyway, we'll take more video once we get there. Thanks guys. Okay, this is the little car we got. It's an 87 Pontiac Fiero GT, 5-speed hardtop coupe car. Body's a little ratty. Interior's a little ratty, but not horrible. But it is a 350 swap car already with the V8 Archie's kit and a bunch of suspension mods already, and brakes and wheel bearings and tie rods. So, which is the important part to us, the mechanical, because we're going to be putting a 308 Mera carbon fiber body on it. So anyway, this is it so far. We'll do some more whenever we get home and get her unloaded. Thanks guys.